Ching, 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 ching. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome to our episode 139 of the Pre-Market Show. Yours truly, Mandela Fobler here with you. And Andrew is backstage. We have a show that you're not going to want to miss. We're talking about all the Jackson Holes we can find. And we also have GTA information. Make sure you get over to the live chat. We got a prize giveaway that is going to make your eyes water. We'll be back right after this. Coming in hot, coming in hot, coming in hot. Andrew, welcome to the show. How are you today, my friend?
Late, like GTA6, right? So, yeah. No,
coming in late.
Coming in late. Yeah, no, good week. So, what about yourself? How's the week been?
It's been a good week. So pretty solid day yesterday, trading wise, and I've been looking more long-term stuff. Gold has been doing well. And so today is Capital Preservation Friday on top of everything else.
Yo,
I need a hat. I need a hat.
That says, I think we need to brand that, right? And we need to give Pax commission then. But no, same here. So it's been a good week on the futures. So having a bit of fun with Apex, that's doing pretty well. And CTI, that's ticking along quite nicely at the moment. So I got some long positions in on Bitcoin, but we just seem to be going sideways at the moment around 79, 80K. So I'm keeping an eye on that. Yeah. But we're healthily in profit. So if we have to, we can just cash them out. So taking out a CTI account really slow. Treating it with the love and respect that it deserves. And just a quick shout out to City Traders Imperium for sponsoring today's show. So if you haven't already, get over to their website over at citytradersimperium.com, and they'll be running another offer for this month. So check them out. And there they are, the prop firm that's paid out traders for 8 years. So another great sign for the guys over CTIs, how long they've been in the game for as well. So it's great. But so far the week's okay. Probably going to look at taking a trade today on the opening range breakout on futures on Forex. Going to look into that. And I think we got a couple of things to chat about. And the show's going to run over today about 10-15 minutes. We just want to quickly talk about Grand Theft Auto and how video games affect traders, right? So it does have an impact on us, and we're going to cover that in the aftermarket show.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's a lot to cover, Andrew. So I think we should get over to the, live chat first, because we had quite a few people patiently waiting for us to start as we were coming in late. So thanks again to everybody who is watching. If you're watching live or watching the replay, really appreciate you taking some time to join us today. We have Mr. Mortala, General Mortala, in the live chat saying good morning, and also good morning to Andrew as well. Good morning from Macro Markets Group saying, hi chaps, happy Friday. Happy Friday. And then also welcome, and Mr. Andrew, happy days. Happy days.
Quickly talking about macro markets. If you haven't seen already, guys, get over to their website. They've got a fantastic new scanner. So you can actually just reach out to the guys on Macro Markets Direct. It's a real clever bit of kit. Had a little look at it yesterday. And if that might suit your trading style. So definitely worth a look over at the Macro Markets Group.
Yeah, they have a really great scan. I'm trying to pull it up as you're talking about it, Andrew. I was hoping that you were going to talk about it for a few more seconds. But it is called the terminal.macromarkets. So it's terminal.macromarketsgroup.com. And we do have it there for your viewing pleasure. So check it out. They have also, they're offering a bundle here where they're doing an event. There's going to be an event, a masterclass event on Canary Wharf.
We'll be there.
We will. Both Andrew and I will be there in person. You'll be able to see us if you come there. We won't be sending our AI robots to be there on our behalf. We will actually physically be there in person. And it'll be nice. It'll be really nice to kind of meet some of the traders that have been basically moving forward, progressing with their trading journey through the last few months.
Yeah, it's great to see. I noticed in both WhatsApp group hours and the macro markets, and they've got some really, really good traders in the group, and some good gold traders as well. So I've been keeping an eye on some of the people trading gold, and they've been doing really well the last few weeks. But okay, on with the show. So we have got a lot to cover today. So first things first, who's Jackson, and what's a hole got to do with it?
I knew somebody was going to be inappropriate today, and I had a feeling it wasn't going to be. So Jackson Hole, we could go through the whole history of the Federal Reserve. We're not going to do that because I know that our audience is very intelligent, and the other half of the audience probably doesn't care much about it. So basically, in a nutshell, today at 10 a.m. Eastern, so you can work out where you are in the world. It'll be 3 p.m. for us here in the UK and 11 a.m. for those of you in Bermuda. We will get a speech from the chair of the Federal Reserve. And so Jackson Hole is a place in Wyoming. That name hasn't changed. Trump has not changed the name of that place yet. So as of this morning, it was still called Jackson Hole. So what's going to happen essentially is Kevin Warsh is going to make a speech. He's going to people don't know exactly what he's going to say, but I guess the retail trader or the average view is that if he comes out and says he's probably willing to keep interest rates unchanged or keep rates flat going into the midterms, which is in about 2 months, into the end of the year, then we would probably see asset prices, things like NASDAQ, things like S&P go up in price. If he comes out and he says, I'm going to be very tough on interest rates, I'm going to definitely raise interest rates, or are more likely to increase interest rates in the September meeting, then that could be negative for stocks. So that's the reason why I think so many people are focused on Jackson Hole, is because it really sets the tone for the rest of the year. And it's an annual meeting, but it's for the world to see what's going to happen with interest rates, and as a result, what will likely happen with markets.
Excellent. Thanks, Mandela. Now we know.
Yeah, this is a nice picture of Jackson Hole, give you an idea of what kind of the things that they look for. Bond investors are looking at it. Equity investors are looking at it. We talk about FX very little. So FX would be looking at it for the US dollar implication. And then this is kind of what has happened in the past, Andrew. So out of the last 10 Jackson Hole speeches, 7 of them have resulted in up days. So the day after the same day price return of the speech. But the down days have been quite considerable. So 2019 and 2022 down -2.5 and 3 1/3 respectively. So if we get an up day, it'll probably be a decent up day. If we get a down day, chances are it could be a surprise down day. So just be on guard, everybody. Be prepared.
Yeah. So I'm actually in an S&P or ES trade at the moment, and we are pushing up quite nicely. So probably going to get out of that during the stream. So if you see me a little bit distracted, you know what I'm up to. But next, we need to get over to our favorite part of the show, charting charts.
All right. Now we're going. No, it's like we've done these shows before, Andrew. Where do you want to start? What do you want to start with?
I think we have to start with Bitcoin, right? I'm actually trading Bitcoin on my CTI account, so I've got three long positions open. All at different entries. So as the price been moving up, I've been scaling into the trades, protecting those trades, and by moving the stop up. But just notice the last day or two, we seem to taking a breather around 79k, and I'm definitely keeping my eye on that. The crypto, as we know, it does move different from FX and the futures pairs. But if you just look on a daily chart, where we can see that pump up, if I was looking at this from a Forex point of view, if you was to zoom in, potentially we would say you got yourself a fair value gap, right, or liquidity void, and that's something just to be mindful of. So we could see some correction on Bitcoin before potentially we get another move up, but I am just mindful of that large push up with no resistance, right? There's been no pullback. It's just been one-way traffic. So it's just something to be mindful of, is that liquidity void on the push up on the daily charts. I'm just monitoring that at the moment.
Nice. I like the bigger picture look, and just seeing how far we've come. I don't think it's unreasonable that we do kind of, shake out some of those late FOMO traders, late coming bulls. I don't know. I think today could be a little bit more of a surprise than people are expecting. So maybe today we get a little bit of an interesting move into the weekend. Always remember, Friday is not the end of the week for Bitcoin because it trades over the weekend. And also, we're approaching the end of August. Monday would be the very, very last day. But if you trade on a monthly basis, you may be trying to get some trades in today as the second last trading day of the month. So just be prepared for that too.
So next, I think we need to look at gold as well. So like I said, the guys over at Macro Markets in the WhatsApp group over there, they've been killing it. Some of the trades. And the guys are doing it really, really well. So we'll have a look at gold. I think gold's quite similar to Bitcoin. Is taking a little breather, is taking his foot off the gas, catching his breath. And I like what you said earlier. Some people would have come late to the party, and potentially that could be the liquidity that we're looking for before we get the next move. So I'd be mindful of that.
Andrew, I just wanted to highlight something on my screen. I think maybe something may be wrong with my screen because I have something here that looks like it says Mandela higher here. And I've never been right on a show for longer than a few weeks.
You spelled Andrew wrong, that's why.
Look, I'm gonna take it down. No, we'll go. It's one of those things where even if you have a broken clock, is still right twice a day. Eventually
you
get
tell
it.
the time, unlike me, right? So I didn't pay much attention in school. So yeah. Okay.
So let's get your gold thoughts. What's your thoughts on gold here?
I think similar to Bitcoin, they could shake out some of the late buyers. And if things carry on the way they are, especially geopolitical, you could see that price going back up. Trend's your friend, so I wouldn't be trying to short gold hard, for a long position. But I think we could see a shake up, a little bit of a pullback, and then your opportunity to go long again. So trend's your friend. We broke that vertical resistance. And I think the price could continue, but I think we will get a shake up for sure. Gold and Bitcoin.
Sorry, Andrew. I just had my phone is connected to my Bluetooth headphones, and I missed that last minute of conversation. So I'm just going to disconnect my Bluetooth. Okay. Yes, I'm fully locked in.
Yeah, professional YouTubers. Let's go. Okay, let's rewind. I'm going what you said, and I thought you just raised a really good point that we could see a little shakeout on Bitcoin and gold for the people who joined the party late, right? And get them out. A little bit of liquidity there with these stops, and then we could go again.
Yeah, I think that's my thinking process as well. It's not going to make it easy for them. If you were a buyer of Bitcoin, I'm sorry, this is gold. If you're a buyer of gold, you would have had to wait through all of this. So why is it just going to go straight up and reward everyone on the way up? I don't think it's going to be that easy. So maybe we come back. This was just a general resistance area that we saw going back to November of last year. Resistance kind of was broken here. Support, resistance. So it's possible that we get back here. You talked a bit about the liquidity. So liquidity down here. I mean, I think it's probably not wise to chase this long right here. And then I say that, and then Jackson Hole gives a clearance for takeoff. That's how it goes, right? But yeah, I think it's simple risk management. It's come up quite a long ways. Let's see if we just get a little idea of where it was at the lows. So it's already up 16% off the lows in 40 days or so. So I could potentially see this move back down for a little while and then give us another boost. So if I had to draw it here, Andrew, maybe today we get a little bit of a down move after Jackson Hole, and then something like that.
Yeah,
is what I'm thinking. Just enough to clear out scare out some buyers.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, and I think, again, very similar to Bitcoin. And I think we're going to see the same sort of pattern on both.
Yep. Just a reminder, this is the all-time high. So I think once, or if and when we get back up to the all-time high around 5,600, then I think the party's on. But I think it's gonna really test your patience, test your ability to follow your rules and not get overly excited. And so this is a long-term play. I know a lot of people in the chat, you trade gold on a daily basis. I was speaking to somebody earlier today. They do intraday gold breakouts in the macro markets group. Other people do daily trading. So I would say this is probably maybe a short opportunity for you, maybe. But it just, like we always say, what is your time? What is your time zone? What is your time frame that you're looking at? Are you looking to hold gold for a few minutes? That's going to be different than what we're talking about here. We're talking about holding gold for a few days into a few weeks and a few months.
Yeah, no, makes sense to me. Should we have a look who's in the live chat? And then let's do it. Get on to the competition. Some good news, guys. We're going to run 2 competitions today. So we're going to run one in about 5 minutes and then one at the end of the extended show once we've gone through Grand Theft Auto. So yeah, we'll get that done.
Yeah, just a reminder, I'll put the link up the top left so Andrew can point to that very easily. Andrew knows how to point to that. Yep, that one. So if you need to scan it, you can scan that. We'll do the draw, should we say, in 2 minutes? Is that good with you?
Yeah, 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay,
and then we're going to run another competition right at the end of the show.
Perfect. All right, so before we do the prize draw, Andrew, should we just have a look in the chat, see what everybody's saying? Because that's the advantage of being live and having everybody kicking it with us today. I'm just going to hit that button there. Okay, there we go. Okay. Of course, there we go.
CTI?
Let's start with CTI.
Who we got?
Okay, so CTI looks like always a good group of people in CTI. I see a few names that I recognize. Jackie Kumar, who is a former winner of the prize giveaway. Hellboy is also with us. Trusta, I'll go with Trusta, saying hello, no issues, please continue. Looking forward to the show. And that's, I guess, sorry, goes by Ayush. Lord Gratisan is also with us today. And Ida Gana saying go, go, go. I think that may have been with Bitcoin or it may have also been with gold. So thank you. Last one here is I see ABHISH saying hello as well. So let us know if you are trading today, placing any trades, or if you are looking at any markets, let us know. And then also in Signature FX world, we have General Mortala. I see General Mortala.
Welcome back to the show. Regular with us. We got the guys over at Macro Markets.
Yep.
Yeah. So yes, we're doing okay. Right, we're going to give another minute, get into the competition. Yeah, we're going to run that first duck race, and then we're going to run a second one at the end of the show. So I'm quite looking forward to rewatching the GTA trailers, and then we just have a little chat how it does affect us as traders, you know, because I think there are some good opportunities with Rockstar. So we'll get into their ticker in about 10 minutes time.
Yeah, I think that's going to be, for me, probably, that's your territory, Andrew. I used to play GTA when I was a lot younger. And I used to remember staying up late at night. And I didn't used to do any of the missions. I was the worst gamer. I would just get in the car, put on some music, drive around. I would stop at the red lights. I would I would follow the law. I swear to you. I would pretend like I was living in that world. Sometimes I would get bored and I would start shooting people. But other than that, I was
following the law, right?
I was following the law. I enjoyed driving around, listening to my music, and leaving everybody else alone. All right, so that's time. Let's see how many entries we have. Looks like we have a few. Okay, let's run it. I'm gonna just pull all the entries. So, like Andrew said, we're gonna do 2 draws. Can you please ask people or let people know what to do once they win, if they can kind of let us know their progress? I think that would be good.
Yeah, so if you do win an account, please keep us updated how you're getting on with the challenge. Also, the 2 of us, we're here to help. So if you need any advice, you can reach out to us on Twitter, or now called X. So you can follow Mandela at SignatureFX, or myself and Andrew _SFX. And what we do ask, guys, is that you follow CTI on Twitter or Instagram. Like I said last week, they're good enough to give us these accounts. So please give them a follow. And it's not just about following them. So every Monday, they give you the market bias. They tell you dollar strength. They go through the euro. So they give you some really, really good information at the beginning of the week to help you trade. So yeah, City Traders Imperium, check them out on X and Instagram, please. That'd be great.
Perfect. Good timing. And you heard it from Andrew. Make sure that you check out City Traders Imperium, who will be providing the prize for the winner. Okay. This is a 1-minute race. So remember to use your 1-minute boosters. Don't use your 3-minute boosters because they will kick in after the race is finished. All right. Any guesses? Any guesses? Any guesses? No?
Okay, I'm staying impartial on it. So
okay, fair enough.
Let's go. Come on, Ducks.
Here we go. All right, look like it's a pretty equal start. I think nobody wants to go out too fast.
Yeah, and we got Donald Duck in the lead. So go on, Rob. Number 3. Yeah. If he wins, he's going to rename that river, It's not going to be Duck Race. It's going to be Race America. Okay, I think Rob's gone. He's gone too soon. Then we've got Yara.
Yeah, Yara's out front. Yara's actually doing quite well. I like Yara's technique.
Yeah, she's purple duck as well. Who else have we got in the race?
We got Mark Patterson trying to push there a little.
It's going to be a tight one. Only we got Billy.
It is going to be pretty tight. Let's see who's going to do it. Who's going to? Oh, well done. Very well done. Very well done. Excellent race.
Yeah, Billy, got yourself an account. What we're going to do, guys, Billy, you need to reach out to City Traders Imperium. They've got your email address from what you registered on the form. And I say it every week, just give them some time to process your account. So it's not instant. They're dealing with many queries throughout the day, but they will get out to you and they will send you your account. So congratulations. Mandela, what I want to do now, if that's okay, is I want to take a quick break and then we'll come back to Grand Theft Auto and we'll give away another account.
Okay, that sounds good, Andrew. So what I'm going to ask everybody to do is please take out your beverage of choice, whatever that is. It could be alcohol, it could be caffeine, it could be just water. And we're going to take a hydration break. Is this what you mean, Andrew? Yes. Hydration break?
Going to play an ad?
Let's do the ad as well. I'm feeling a bit dehydrated.
Yeah, let's play an ad. Let's do the ad. I'm going to jump out of this trade.
Okay. All right, let's go. We'll be back in, let's say 30 seconds or so. Let's say a minute. Let's see back in a minute.
Don't go anywhere. We've got another account to give you. Okay. are, bro.
All right, we are back. Nice little break. Able to stretch my legs a little bit.
I'm ready to steal my first car.
Oh my gosh! I just realized what you look like,
Yo.
Andrew. Holy smokes, man!
Yeah.
You are like. So I didn't realize you were that much into GTA. Like you're really into it. You're really into it.
To play to play the GTA games when they come out. I think GTA 5. It's about 10 years old, right? It's really old. It's a great game. I just had a nice trade. That's why I needed to go. So we can share that now before we go.
Yeah,
so
let's share that. Let's share that.
Do you want to do the trade first?
Yeah, let's do the trade. Do you want to keep the screen up, or do you want me to take the screen down? Or what do you want to do?
So I just took a trade on the future. Stop sharing. We may as well quickly do that. Get it out of the way. Let me have my what's the word? Let me have my flowers.
Here we go.
So here we are.
That's it.
So nice way to start the day. So long on MES. So there it is. So yeah, we trade in with Apex.
Let me take that down.
So
take that down. There we go.
Here we are. So nicely done. So happy with that. That's cool. So yeah, that's why I was a little bit preoccupied in the show. But okay, let's before we get going, let's remind everyone what we are excited about. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna let's do it. Do you have the sound? Just double checking.
Sounds up.
Sound. Okay.
Let's go.
All right, let's rock and roll. I haven't seen this yet, by the way.
Do you know why you're here?
Bad luck, I guess.
There was a girl I knew. She said
Looks so real.
Yeah. Good. I think this is more of a really good gameplay. But, yeah, looking forward to it.
She thought it should be. Yeah, we were desperate then to have each other to hold, but love is a long, long road. Yeah, love is a long, long.
Well, look who's back. The only way we're gonna get through this is by sticking together, being a team. Trust?
Trust. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot.
Yes, it's looking good. So yeah, quite excited for that. So I don't think that's the actual gameplay. I have got a video showing gameplay later. But let's talk about Grand Theft Auto and what it means to us as traders. So I've done a little bit of research before the show, and okay, and we'll get the charts up. So Rockstar Games, yes, they've made some of the biggest games out there. So Grand Theft Auto, Red Dead Redemption, Max Payne. So these are some of the games that we all know. And just having a look at it, Grand Theft Auto alone sold more than 225 million copies, and it's made about £10 billion for the company. 10 billion.
Wow.
So
wow.
That's incredible. So for me, I'm going to be conservative. I think there's been a delay. I think the delay's been good marketing as well, because people have been frustrated. They're like, I'm not going to buy the game. I'm not going to buy the game. But we know when that game gets released, even if there's some glitches with the game and they need some workaround or patches, I just think it won't be available on the first day for download. I think it's going to be so busy. So my estimate is this game's lifespan easily 20 billion.
Wow.
So that's what I'm thinking.
That's a lot of money. That's a lot of moolah.
Yes,
yeah.
So it's a lot of money. But the question is, like, what people say, why are you talking about a game on a trading stream? So the company Rockstar, they actually do trade. They're part of the NASDAQ. So their company is TTWO. I don't know if you can find that, Mandela.
Yeah, but I'm already on it, Andrew.
So
already on it. Here we go.
I think this is one to watch. It's definitely going on my watch list in Interactive Brokers, and maybe you and I will be keeping an eye on the earnings with this company. So they did see some dips every time the game got delayed, but potentially this is massive for them, and I think there's some good opportunities, especially when we get into the earning seasons with Take-Two Interactive.
Yeah, I'm looking at it here. It looks like it's up overnight. So when did the actual release come?
So it came out yesterday. I think it's 10 p.m. and it broke the internet. So they've done a documentary on Netflix, and you can imagine that we had all the top streamers. So Asmongo, Geeks and Gamers, basically anyone and everyone, including us too, trying to grift off it as well, right? Yeah. So it's been non-stop. It broke the internet yesterday. Everybody's talking about it, and we've seen that rise in the price. So this is definitely going on our watch list for earnings, and I think I'm being too conservative at 20 billion.
Yeah, I want to play it. I don't even play games anymore, but it's something that will bring me back into the gaming world. Looks like earnings is, let's see, they had earnings 7th of August. They were good. They were positive earnings, beat earnings on earnings per share and revenue. And then the next earnings is approximately, let's make it look nicer. Okay, so the next earnings is going to be around the 5th of November. So we can continue to track this one.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. And I think we'll cover it it's only 8 weeks away, right? So we'll probably cover that bi-weekly. Yeah. And I'll get it into the watch list on Interactive Brokers for us. We'll keep an eye on that. So, from a trading perspective, I think there's some good opportunities there. I can't wait. I am excited. I haven't played Grand Theft Auto 5 probably for a couple of years. I have got it on my PS5. I might revisit it over the weekend. I wouldn't mind just getting back into it and having a look. But definitely excited about this game. It looks good. The very interactive. The immersion into that world. Yeah, I can't wait. Looking forward to it. And unlike you, I'm not going to be stopping at red lights. And
I swear to you, I would actually say, okay, I'm gonna go for a drive, and I would sit down in front. I had it on the PC version, and I would play for like 2 hours, just pumping the tunes, driving around, looking around. Like I was actually immersed in the game. I felt like I was actually there in that world. This would have been Grand Theft Auto, San Andreas. The San Andreas. It was ages ago. I'm a dinosaur. I know.
It's really good. So we're looking forward to it. And what I'm going to do is, I think we've spoken enough about it from a trading perspective. If anyone's still watching in the chat, I think we'll play the extended trailer for about 5-10 minutes. So you can sit back, watch that if you haven't seen it already. Me and Mandela will be a little bit quiet through it, and then we'll do a duck race in about 10 minutes time. And then we'll get ready for the open. Okay,
let's do that. So just let people know we are going to be doing a live trading at the end of this as well. If you'd like to kind of join us, just reach out to us if you're in our community, and you can join our live trading. Are you able to join us for the live trading as well, Andrew?
I'll check now. I need to quickly, just have a look at a few things. So
no problem.
Volume's up, full screen. And so this, I believe, now this is gameplay reveal. So this is what the actual game's going to look like. What I would say is going to be a lot better on your PC and console. Okay, so this has been ripped to YouTube. So the quality is not there, but it still looks pretty epic, to be honest. So let's sit back, chill. Let's have a look at this game.
Yo, crack it!
I guess they know we're coming.
All right, that's the blood break. Be cool.
Graphics look really good.
Yeah, it looks really good. Looks smooth, right? And even though it's on YouTube, I think the quality's still pretty good. Let's see if we got any action sequences here. So yes,
I want to see what it looks like when you're driving around, just driving around the city.
Have a look what they got. So yeah, we
Sure you can. But would they look that good?
So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Let's see what we got here. Okay, this is for you.
This is my fault. I love this.
Yeah.
I love this.
Okay. Your wound up a little tight. What's up?
Nothing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, graphics look good, right? Pretty
The
great.
graphics look amazing. Yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah, so I think it's going to be multiplayer as well. So it's going to be you and Krista just driving around.
Yeah.
Yeah, getting yourself a nice BMW
I love it.
convertible. Yeah, it looks brilliant. Looks really, really good.
Yeah, it does. It does. Yeah. Now I see why it's been so delayed and so highly anticipated. Nice.
See what else they got here for us.
What system do you play it on? What
So that's I suppose that's the problem now. So do I do it on PC or PS5? So what I'll do is the little circle of gaming friends. I'll find out what they're going with. So if we can co-opt, and it is multi-platform. We can actually all play together. Because sometimes you find, I think sometimes the PS5, sometimes I think it's a little bit better. Just my personal preference, I know, and it's a lot cheaper to buy a PS5 than a really expensive gaming PC. But I'll speak to my brother. I'm sure he's going to get it and stuff like that, and I'll find out which way we're going to go with the game. But I can't wait. It's looking really good. And
that sun looks real. That looks like a real sun.
Yeah, it looks good in fairness. So it'll be a great game.
I mean, seriously, what reason do we have to?
Yeah, I might have to join you in that group of gaming.
Just say,
yeah, so you're gonna be PC yourself?
Yeah, I'm thinking. Well, my son thinks that he owns the PlayStation. We have a PS5, so I guess I could do it on either one.
All right, okay, yeah.
Whichever one looks better.
You gonna text this guy?
We'll look into it. Let's have a quick. Let's see what else it's up to. See if we can get some good effects. Yeah, let's have a look at this. Oh.
That was.
Yeah, well, they are out there, right?
Yeah.
Looney, what's up, girl?
Oh boy. Are we gonna get banned?
This is the
one. Are we gonna get banned? Oh, that looks like fun.
So yeah, no, it's looking good, right? So
yeah.
So yeah, I can't wait. So yeah, November, just in time for the earnings as well. So put 2 and 2 potentially. It should be a good call. So yeah. We'll talk about that in some more detail. So yeah, so that's GTA 6, and I'm really looking forward to it. And yeah, if anyone's in the chat, let us know what system you will be playing on if you're going to play the game. Let us know. Potentially could be another WhatsApp group for us, the Signature FX gaming chat. Yeah, we've got a few going on. So and same with the guys over at Macro Markets as well. If you are going to be playing, let us know. And we could arrange some live stream gaming night, just some way to kick back and chill after a hard trading week, right?
Yeah, we need that outlet, and we keep talking about more shows or different types of shows. I'm glad when you're talking about GTA, I see why. This is a great global movement, and it's also something that will bring us all together. Because it's more to life than just markets. And one of those things is also docs. There's also docs, right?
Ducks. Talking of ducks, are we going to do another race? Obviously, Billy, you're not in the next race.
Yeah, I'm gonna do race again. I think there's a way to do it.
Guys, you have
Billy's
to be in
out.
the chat. So if you win, you need to let us know
Yeah.
in the chat. If not, we'll have to run it again. We'll have to remove you and rerun the race. So maybe 45 seconds this time, just in case we have to rerun.
Okay, let's do 45. Clear. It won't allow me to do that.
Go on.
I don't want to delete. Yeah. Okay. Should we just give it a go?
Yeah, and apart from Billy. So Billy, if you win again,
Billy can't win. Yeah, I think his name automatically comes out if we see him where we know. All right, ready?
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Okay. So it looks like Billy comes out automatically. Oh no, he's there. Dang it. Okay, well he's not going to win anyway. He can't. If Billy does come first, then we'll go with the second place person.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, we'll do that. So looking forward to GTA 6. I'm going to watch the full documentary later on, so I'm going to catch up on it. And it should be good. And let's see who wins. So best of luck, Ducks. And let's see who our winner is.
We have Rob is still dressed the same. It looks like they're all in the same kit as the first round.
Has it stopped? No, it's still going.
No, I think maybe there was a little current or some sort of wave.
All right, yeah. Global warming.
Possibly. There you go.
Yeah. Okay.
Got, the last stretch.
Here we go.
And it's Hellboy. Looks like Hellboy. Congratulations, Hellboy.
Congratulations, Hellboy. If you're still in the chat, let us know.
Yeah, well done, Hellboy.
Yeah,
very well done. Very well done.
Is Hellboy still with us? If not, it's going to go to second place. Hellboy.
Was Hellboy in the race still? Is he in the chat? Sorry.
I think he's clocked out early and left the office.
Are you sure?
Okay.
Let's double check. So Hellboy. Let's see. Is Hellboy still in the chat? Here we go. It's only one way to find out. Yeah, there we go.
Okay. If not, it's going to the second place Duck. Then third place folk. There's probably going to be one person still watching, right?
After this, yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh yeah, he's here.
Yay!
It's Helly Boy. You've been saying it wrong all these years. Helly. It has a Y. Congratulations, Helly.
Maybe
it's Hell Ye Boy.
Well,
anyway, congratulations.
Oh, great show. So I enjoyed that actually. Getting my GTA 6 fix live on stream, and I'm really looking forward to the game. I can't wait. And let's see what happens if there's no more delays.
Yep.
But I'm gonna go.
Okay.
I'll catch up with you later. Thanks, chat. Everyone have a great weekend. Don't trade today if you don't need to. If you're sitting green for the week, it is Capital Preservation Day, and have a great weekend. Thanks, Mandela. I'll catch you later.
Thank you, Andrew. Have a wonderful day. And if you are still with us, that means that you really do find our content very interesting and engaging, hopefully helpful. So if you don't mind, please make sure that you like and subscribe. I know we say this every single time, but it helps to keep these shows live. It helps to keep us on the air, and we want to continue to do these for you each and every week. Andrew and I do these because we enjoy them from the bottom of our heart, and we appreciate you being with us as well. So smash the like button, subscribe, click the notification bell. You know the deal. You know we have to say it because that's what keeps us on the air. And if you know someone who will benefit from this information, please feel free to share. We always say thank you to each and every one of our viewers, whether you're watching us live or you're watching the replay later on. And like I said earlier, we are going to be live in about 5 minutes. We'll be trading live. So if you'd like the link, reach out to us on our community sources, on our community networks, and we'll be happy to invite you over to the live trading session. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, today is capital preservation. No need to hit for home runs today. No need for hitting for sixes. No need to blow any accounts today. Slow and steady wins the race. We're in this for the long term. Also, congratulations to Billy boy, or Billy girl. Let's go with Billy. Billy, congratulations as well. Happy days to Helly boy or Hellboy, whichever one you prefer. Thank you very much for participating in the competition today. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me. I'm gonna get ready for our live trading session. And until next time, everybody, you know what I say. Happy trading.